everyone, thanks for stopping back by to see what I am up to. And today I have my Face Story, and these are always a month behind, so this should be the May 2020 bag. A little quick bit about Face Story. They are a Korean sheet mask subscription. It is monthly. I get the Forever Fresh kit, $8.90 a month. You get 4 masks, 7 Lux. You get 7 masks. That is $19. And they do have I have this written down because I can never remember this last one. A Lux Plus box. It's a seasonal quarterly box, $49.95. You get 10 to 12 skincare, hair care items. And they promise a high value of about $200 or so for that. I do not get that one every month or every season just because it's a little pricey for me for skincare, hair care items. But we're going to get right into the Face Story. Just open the package and we'll just verify that it is. Let me find my little card here. Usually it tells you what month it is on here. I'm assuming this is May because they're, like I said, they are behind a month. So you get a card. It tells you about your masks, which is good because these are hard to, these, since a lot of these are Korean, I can't read the back. Even though they are putting, which is good, how to use, they are putting ingredients in both languages, Korean and English, which is nice. So this is the first mask that I see right here, and this is from Beau Green. This is a firming collagen mask, value of $2. Niacinamide is in here, adds hydration and helps minimize the appearance of redness, and hydrolyzed collagen that helps hydrate and moisturize the skin for a plump and healthy appearance, minimizing fine lines and wrinkles. All about that. This one looks interesting. The next one is from Sheer Skin, and this is a sparkle galactomyces mask. I have no idea what that word is. Galactomyces, okay. Value of $2.50, and this has, let's see what this one does. Centella acidica helps calm skin irritants and speed up the skin's healing process. It's antioxidant rich and can help reduce sun damage. Well, that's a good one, especially now with the warmer weather and a lot more of us out in the sun. This is always a fun one right here. Cute packaging. And this is from Look at Me, and this is the Sweet Honey Bear Nourishing Mask. Oh no, that's not. You could get either or. So this one is the Candy O Lady, the Mellow Cotton Candy Mask. Wow, that's kind of cute. Let's see what good things are in this. Healing and nourishing. What does this other thing do? It's calming for the skin. Okay, I can't read these names. Lactobacillus, lactobacillus, and there's a honey in here. So that's good to have. I love the packaging on that one. We have gotten masks from that particular company before. And this one is good for your skin also. And this is from Farmstay. And this is the Real Mango Essence Mask. And there was an option of 2. Oh, the Cotton Candy Mask has a $2.50 value. And this has a $2.50 value. And this has a mango fruit extract, which brightens skin for a clear, smooth, and radiant complexion. And albumin extract, the protein found in egg whites. This ingredient helps with lifting and tightening. Okay, at any age, that's good, but as you get older, that's even better. So I usually take a picture of the card close up so that you can read what the good ingredients in these masks do for your skin. So these are the 4 masks that I received this month, and you're, supposed to mask once a week, but sometimes if you do it twice a week, I don't think that harms. You can't really do, I would never do a mask every single night. I think that would just be a little too much for your skin, especially if you're doing other products, but once a week is fine. So this covers me for the month. I do share. I have, you get masks on all the subscriptions you get. I mean, it's easy to throw in a mask or 2 in a lot of boxes. Sometimes you get a box of masks. So I love sharing these in giveaways also. I still do have quite a few. I've been trying other things, so I've been backing away from the mask, trying all, we've been getting so much skincare that I wanted to, give them a shot, but not still do masks, because for me, if I add too much, new, my skin will get red, inflamed. So I am careful that I don't add a lot, or I remove some skincare and try new. Like, I just don't keep piling, everything on top of the other, because you don't know how different brands and ingredients are going to, react to your skin. So I'm always careful. I had one bad reaction years and years ago, just putting stuff on my face not knowing any better. So it's always good to educate yourself on that before. And sometimes it is trial and error. You don't know if it's going to irritate your skin or burn. I've seen people get burns from skincare, so you just really have to be careful. But if I add skincare, true skincare that I've received, I back away from the mask that week. But I do enjoy these. So that is my Forever Fresh subscription for them. Like I said, I believe this is the May 2020 bag from Facestory. I've been getting this one since the very beginning of this channel, and we'll probably always get this, because these masks, you can get them at the dollar store, Dollar Tree, Dollar General. I don't think the quality is as good. I think these masks are way better. Korean skincare is supposed to be one of the best skincare producers around. So I'm happy to get these every single month. And that's the end of the video. And rather than keep on jibber jabbering, I will let you all go. I hope everyone is doing well, and I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.